Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Dodge Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sport car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, trip computer, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, compass, fog lights, security system, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, overhead console, tachometer, rear view camera. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.